it's a beautiful day at Salamonie Lake. And remember to type in Lost Bridge Recreational Area, State Recreational Area, SRA, okay? Because Google Maps will take you to the wrong place if you type in Salamonie Lake State Park. Alright, now this is just absolutely stunning. Then right over here's the boat marina for the houseboats. Look at that. I'll have to check and see if our motorhome will fit on this campsite. And then the water goes on around here, and then that's the side that we're parked on. There we are there, and then we're on the water there. Some of the other older and newer RVs. Alright, we found this little path down here to where people can moor their boats and come up and down. They can't launch their boats from here, but apparently they can moor them. Oh wow. And there's our RV. We're camped right up there. Wow, that's just beautiful. I told you we had a view. See us? We're just right there. This is the trail that we're on. Hello.
Like your dog.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Okay. Not sure where we're going, but it's got to be a shortcut to the store. I'm banking on it. View? Well, I had a better view, but the sun keeps popping in and out from these little like storm clouds. So John put me up my umbrella here above my head, and I'm working on my novel. All right, see you soon. But I just want to tell everybody my eye is doing better. I lost a floater in my eye when I was doing a balloon pop reveal for the grandparents. For my son, him and his wife are going to have their fourth. Is doing it's still there, but I'm getting used to it. It's just like having a dirty contact in, like a fingerprint on it. That's what it seems like. But okay, we are at the Nature Center, or the Interpretive Center. It's just kind of like interpretive, meaning that it's hands-on. You can touch things and see things and get the actual full senses. And plus they also have a trading post gift shop inside. We're going to see if they have our hiking stick medallions. We're just missing a couple of the park medallions that we've been to. I'll give you a nice turn here. Here's where we're parked. Okay. Open 11 to 5 daily. Now these right here are the flowers that I had. If you know the name of these, will you please tell me? I had these in my, when I lived on Finch Court, and about 13, 14 years ago, and they weren't supposed to actually sell them to me. They got the place and they did. I don't know if they're invasive or what, but they're beautiful, and I'm looking for a sign that tells me what they are. You know, interpretive usually means there's a sign. There's bee balm. Oh yeah, no, that's yarrow. That's yarrow back there. And these are a really cool looking leaf that comes up. But this right here is what I'm looking for. I want some of these right here. I'll find out inside from the DNR people what it is. Here we have some beautiful cone flowers. Oh, this one would have won the fair. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Mine were kind of looking a little faded. So we're in the Upper Wabash Interpretive Center. We got purple feathers. We have lavender hyssop right there. see what this is, if they have a name for it. Hairy bear tongue. And this, I still don't see the name of it anywhere. It's the one thing I want to know. It's a butterfly weed underneath there. It's barely coming up. We got one. They have a beautiful pond here. Bird feeder. Alright, let's go inside. They've got something that lives out here in this little thing, but I don't see it. I think it's a snake or a turtle, maybe?
Oh no.
There's another pond. This is a really, really nice, like a chickadee or something there. And the bird feeder. Sorry, the glass is in front of me.
Wonder what's in there.
Okay, this leads into the herb garden. They got a bench. They got some Rose of Sharon, black-eyed Susans, Galadarias, which is another form of black-eyed Susan. They just got some red on them. Here's your comb flowers. Isn't that neat the way the comb looks there? Coropesis. Arrowwood or viburnum. This is an arrowwood viburnum here. These are hollyhocks that have died off. Got some daylilies. Those look good. We have a lot of hydrangeas. Look at the size that this hydrangea was here. Huge. Huge plant. Let's see what else we got here. We got foxglove. This is foxglove. I think that's called foxglove beer tongue. Now this is neat. This is a bird and butterfly garden. Again, get a load of the size, the saucers of this plant. They got marigolds. Okay, this is a hibiscus. I thought it was a Rose of Sharon. I think I saw that picture. There's phlox. Look at all the phlox. These are beautiful. I want some of these right here. Let's see. This is like a form of coropesis. It almost looks like a form of coropesis and marigold together. If you know what this is called, please tell me. They don't have a sign for it here. Some more of that plant there. Spider plant. More coxcomb. Look at that. Look at the zinnia garden, Papa. Oh, looky, you know our red cones? They got them here. Look at that. Woodland plants. Some rows and rows of zinnias. The everlasting garden. The everlasting garden. Look at all the plants and all the herbs in there. That's nice that they tried growing some food. It's another hibiscus of another kind. There's a big old beak. Native wildlife plant. There's some more of these and they're looking really good. They even got tomatoes. Look at the zinnias inside the fence. dill, some basil, some oregano, some thyme, lemon thyme. Beautiful garden. I'm glad you guys can enjoy it with us. We'll be right back.